will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Turkey app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click in this sign down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to dialog display in full screen. Then you click here in this sign. So that like you see this color show for us. Then you click here on get it here. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here dialog display in full screen enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.